commercial license 100% legal ownership brand as your own, get immediate access. Are you struggling to make money selling coloring pages on Etsy, Amazon KDP, or Gumroad? Do you spend hours designing pages, only to feel frustrated with slow sales or no sales at all? Are you looking for high-quality, engaging coloring pages that kids will actually love? Do you want to start selling right away without spending weeks or months creating designs from scratch? Are you tired of watching others make profits while you're still figuring out what works? This is what makes KiddieColorKraze a money-making machine. More examples. A seller on Etsy lists a 30-page coloring book for $11.97. They sell 100 copies in a month equals $999 in pure profit. Now imagine 500+ pages in different bundles. Your earning potential is massive. Who is the ideal buyer? Etsy and Amazon KDP sellers, ready-made content for immediate sales. Print-on-demand entrepreneurs, sell digital or physical coloring books. Bloggers and influencers, monetize their audience with a trending niche. Teachers and parents, print and use educational coloring sheets. PLR buyers and resellers, rebrand and sell for unlimited profits. Don't wait, secure your 500+ coloring pages and bonuses now. Ping me if you need anything. Ashwat Shivram.